In primetime news tonight, water woes, what's being done? The Prime Minister outlines a plan. PCJ Director grilled at PAC.
I was simply a courier that was asked to pass on information.
And new JDF command post up and running out west.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green is here with a preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. The Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC, is reporting a successful period last year. It resolved most consumer complaints and secured millions of dollars in compensation for customers. I'll have more details later in the business day.
And from business, we go to sports. Jordan Fort, what's happening today?
Well, Archie, the Jamaica's head coach of the World Relays team is urging local track and field fans not to panic after the team's performance in Japan over the weekend. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, what more do you think should be done to address the current water crisis?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines.